accountancy, monthly examination, August. MCQ, which of the following is the subject of the faculty of commerce? Accountancy, entrepreneurship, business study. All of these accountancy, entrepreneurship, business study तीनों के तीनों सब्जेक्ट कॉमर्स के फैकल्टी के हैं. अगला क्वेश्चन, अकाउंटिंग इज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ बिजनेस. अकाउंटिंग इज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ बिजनेस. अकाउंटिंग इज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ बिजनेस. Accounting records the transaction in monetary units. Accounting record the transaction in monetary units. Next, in accounting, record is made of only financial statement, only financial transaction, only financial transaction. अगला, the function of accounting are to ascertain profit or loss, to ascertain profit or loss, to ascertain the financial position of the business, to ascertain the financial position of the business, to provide the information to various parties, to provide the information to various parties. All three are the function of accounting, यानी कि all of these are true. Next question, the characteristics of accounting is recording and classifying, both recording and classifying, यानी कि option number C, both A and B are correct. Next question, accounting is both art and science. Accounting is both art and science. It means option number C, both A and B are true. Next question, which of the following transaction is not of financial nature? Which of the following transaction is not of financial nature? कर्मचारियों द्वारा हड़ताल करना, strike by the employee is not the transaction of financial nature. Strike by the employee is not the financial nature. Next, internal users of accounting information is managers, owner, employee. Managers, owners, employee. Managers, owners, employee. Next question, external users of accounting information, government, researcher, tax authority. Government, researcher, tax authority. All three are the right answer of external users. Next question, AICPA का full form. AICPA का full form, American Institute of Certified Public Accountant. American Institute of Certified Public Accounting. American Institute of Certified Public Accountant. Next question, Luca Pacioli was resident of which country? Luca Pacioli was the resident of which country? Italy. Italy का Luca Pacioli था. Next question, who invented the double entry system of bookkeeping? Who invented the double entry system of bookkeeping? Luca Pacioli invent किया था double entry book system keeping का. Next, when was the Indian Institute of Chartered Accountant established? When was the Institute of Chartered Accountant established? Chartered Accountant का जो इंस्टीट्यूट है इंडियन में वह कब एस्टेब्लिश हो जाता है? सन 1949 में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ इवेंट आर इन्वॉल्व इन बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ इवेंट आर इन्वॉल्व इन बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? ओनली इकोनॉमिक इवेंट्स आर इन्वॉल्व इन बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शंस. एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इंटरनल इकोनॉमिक्स, एग्जांपल ऑफ इंटरनल इकोनॉमिक इवेंट इज payment of salary to the employee, payment of the salary to the employee, payment of salary to the employee, sale of goods to the customer, sale of goods to the customer, payment of monthly rent to the landlord, payment of monthly rent to the landlord. All these three answers are true. Next question, which of the following are popular terms accounting? Debit and credit both are the popular terms used in the accounting. Debit and credit, it means option number C, A and B तो दोनों true हैं. नेक्स्ट, एग्जांपल्स ऑफ बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप, कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी, पार्टनरशिप डीड. ऑल तीनों एग्जांपल्स, ये तीनों के तीनों एग्जांपल्स है बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के. द प्रोसेस ऑफ अकाउंटिंग स्टार्ट विद आइडेंटिफाइंग. द प्रोसेस ऑफ अकाउंटिंग स्टार्ट विद आइडेंटिफाइंग. द प्रोसेस ऑफ अकाउंटिंग स्टार्ट विद आइडेंटिफाइंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द प्रोसेस ऑफ अकाउंटिंग एंड विद. द प्रोसेस ऑफ अकाउंटिंग एंड विद कम्युनिकेटिंग. द प्रोसेस ऑफ अकाउंटिंग एंड विद कम्युनिकेटिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following is not a business transaction? Which of the following is not a business transaction? Paid son's school fee, her personal bank account 3000 rupees. Paid son school fee, her personal account rupees 3000. पुट लगा भी डायरेक्ट सूट 3000 रुपये अपने निजी बैंक के खाते से चुकाई गई. ये एक क्या है? नॉट अ बिजनेस ट्रांजेक्शन. ये एक बिजनेस ट्रांजेक्शन नहीं है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टाइप्स ऑफ बिजनेस ट्रांजेक्शंस आर, दो तरह के, कैश ट्रांजेक्शन, क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन. कैश ट्रांजेक्शन, क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन, यानी कि ऑप्शन नंबर सी, बोथ ए एंड बी आर ट्रू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following is not a current asset? Which of the following is not a current asset? Furniture is not a current asset. It is a non-current asset. Next question, which of the following is intangible assets? Which of the following is intangible, जिसे छू नहीं सकते? गुडविल, पेसेंट या कॉपीराइट. गुडविल, पेसेंट या कॉपीराइट, ये तीनों के तीनों सही है. गुडविल हो, पेसेंट हो, कॉपीराइट, इन तीनों के तीनों इंटेंजिबल एसेट्स है. When is the trade discount allowed? When is the trade discount allowed? At the time of sale of goods. At the time of sale of goods. At the time of sale of goods. Current liability is creditor. Current liability किसका होता है? क्रेडिटर का होता है. करंट लाइबिलिटी क्रेडिटर का होता है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन एक्सपेंस? ड्राइंग्स, आहरण, ड्राइंग्स इज नॉट एन एक्सपेंस. ड्राइंग्स इज नॉट एन एक्सपेंस. assets is equal to liability plus capital. Assets is equal to liability plus capital. And the last question, which of the following is a subfield of accounting? नहीं, second last question, which of the following is a subfield of accounting? फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग, कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग, मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग, तीनों के तीनों सबफील्ड है अकाउंटिंग के. एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज लास्ट क्वेश्चन है एट द एंड ऑफ फाइनेंशियल ईयर ड्यूरिंग विच सेल ऑफ गुड्स वाज वर्थ 10,000 the closing stock is value at 2,000 rupees. At the end of financial year during which sale of goods was worth 10,000 the closing stock is value at 2,000 rupees. This is event और ट्रांजेक्शन, ये दोनों के दोनों इवेंट भी है ट्रांजेक्शन भी है। वित्तीय वर्ष के अंत में जिसके दौरान माल की बिक्री 10,000 रुपये थी, अंतिम हटिया का मूल्य 2,000 रुपये था, यह क्या है? यह एक इवेंट है, ट्रांजेक्शन या दोनों का दोनों है? तो दोनों का दोनों है। मंथली एग्जामिनेशन सितंबर। मैमसीक्यू हु इन्वेंटेड द डबल एंट्री सिस्टम? लुका पैसिलोडी, लुका पैसिलोडी, लुका पैसिलोडी। Who is the user of accounting information? Honors inventors management, honors inventors management. All of them are users of accounting information. Which of the following is not qualitative determinant of accounting information? Which of the following is not qualitative determinant of accounting information? Understandability, understandability. नहीं, sorry, simplicity, simplicity. Which of the following is not qualitative determinant of accounting information? Simplicity, simplicity is not qualitative determinant of accounting information. Simplicity, simplicity is not qualitative डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन। अगला क्वेश्चन है करंट लाइबिलिटी, करंट एसेट इज लैंड, लैंड इज अ करंट एसेट्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करंट लाइबिलिटी इज क्रेडिटर, करंट लाइबिलिटी इज क्रेडिटर, करंट लाइबिलिटी इज क्रेडिटर। नेक्स्ट वर्किंग कैपिटल इक्वल टू करंट एसेट्स माइनस करंट लाइबिलिटी, वर्किंग कैपिटल इक्वल टू करंट एसेट्स माइनस करंट लाइबिलिटी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 फिक्स एसेट्स इंक्लूड फर्नीचर, फिक्स एसेट्स इंक्लूड फर्नीचर। Which of the following is a fictitious asset? Which of the following is a fictitious asset? ऐसा asset जिसे छू नहीं सकते। Goodwill is a fictitious asset. Next, the person who is to receive cash from business is called. The person who is to receive cash from the business is called creditor. The person who is receive cash from business is called creditor. Next question, assets which can be converted into cash within a short span of time, that is called current assets. Next question, long term liabilities are debenture. The importance of accounting principle is full investor, full auditor, full accountant. All of them are the importance of principle is full inventors, full auditor and full accountant. All of them are true. Next question, on what basis is income access? Consistency concept. On what basis is income asset? Income asset on the basis of consistency concept. On what basis is income asset? Consistency concept. Next question, which of the following is not a fundamental accounting assumption? To conservatism, rudivarita. Which of the following is not a fundamental accounting assumption? Conservatism is not a fundamental accounting assumption. Conservatism is not a fundamental accounting assumption. Next question, when did Luca Pacioli propound the principle of double entry system? 1494 में 1494 में। Next question, the first stage of double entry system is classification. Next question, proprietor account is personal account. Next, advantage of double entry system are scientific system, entry of both aspects, knowledge of financial position. All of them are advantage of double entry system. Next question, debit the receiver and the credit the giver is a personal account. Debit the giver and the credit the giver is applicable to personal account. Accounting standard is compulsory for company. Next question, when was the accounting standard board established? Accounting standard board established 1977. Which of the following is intangible assets? Goodwill is a intangible assets. In accounting transaction are recorded in terms of monetary units. Next question, accounting standard is used for government auditor investor. All of them are true. Next question, which of the following is a feature of double entry system? Two aspects. Which of the following is a feature of double entry system? Two aspects. It has two aspects. Accounting process is accounting cycle. Next question, according to dual aspect concept, assets equal to liability plus capital. Presently how many accounting standards are in force? 32, 27, 28. इनमें से कोई, none of these. इनमें से कोई नहीं है. Presently how many accounting standards are in force? 32, 27, 28. इनमें से कोई नहीं. तो right answer इनमें से कोई नहीं. Presently how many accounting standards are in force? Accounting standard in force है 41 वो है accounting अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड इन फोर्स में, ना ही 32 है, ना ही 27 है, ना ही 28 है, यानी कि इनमें से कोई 41 सही आंसर होगा अगर पूछे तो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बेसिस ऑफ अकाउंटिंग इज कैश बेसिस, एक्यूरेट बेसिस, कैश बेसिस, एक्यूरेट बेसिस, बोथ आर ट्रू, ऑप्शन नंबर सी ए एंड बी आर ट्रू। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, basis of accounting is cash basis, accurate basis, both are true. And the last question, which of the following will not be recorded in the books of account, which of the following will not be recorded in the books of account? Order of supply of goods, माल की आपूर्ति के लिए आदेश देना, order of supply of goods, order of supply of goods are not be recorded in books of account. Monthly examination, October MCQ. The first step of accounting process is identification of transaction. First step of accounting process is identification of transaction. Only cash transactions are recorded in cash basis. Only cash transactions are recorded in cash basis. Voucher is a written evidence. Voucher is a written evidence. A note sent by buyer on return of good is. A note sent by the buyer on return of good is. A note sent by the buyer on return of good is debit note. A note sent by the buyer on return of good is debit note. A note sent by the buyer on return of good is debit note. Next question. Capital of a business is 75,000 and liability is 25,000. Capital of business is 75,000, liability 25,000. Total assets would be कितना? तो assets equal to liability plus capital, 25,000 plus 75,000, 1 लाख. तो right answer 1 लाख. Next question, cash account is a real account. Cash account is a real account. Next question, the rule of debit all expenses and losses are the rule debit all expenses and losses and credit all income and gains related to किस अकाउंट? तो नॉमिनल अकाउंट, नॉमिनल अकाउंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अ सेल ऑफ गुड्स टू राम फॉर कैश इज डेबिटेड टू कैश अकाउंट. अ सेल ऑफ गुड्स टू राम फॉर कैश इज डेबिटेड टू कैश अकाउंट. अ सेल ऑफ गुड्स टू राम फॉर कैश इज डेबिटेड टू कैश अकाउंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एग्जांपल, गुडविल इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? रियल इंटेंजिबल अकाउंट, रियल इंटेंजिबल अकाउंट. Goodwill account is example of real intangible account. Goodwill is the example of real intangible account. The right hand side of account is called credit side. The right hand side of the account is called credit side. Next question, journal record the transaction of the firm in chronological order manner. Journal records the transaction of the firm in chronological manner. The journal record the transaction of the firm in chronological manner. Journal record the transaction of the firm in chronological order. Next question, a brief explanation of the transaction in a journal is termed as narration. A brief explanation of the transaction in a journal is termed as narration. A brief explanation of the transaction in a journal is termed as narration. Next, journal is a book of original record. Journal is the book of original record. Next question, which balance does the purchase return account always show? Which balance does the purchase return account always show? Credit balance. Which balance does the purchase return account always show? Credit balance, credit balance, credit balance. How many column are there in a ledger? 8. 8 कॉलम होते हैं लेजर में, 8 कॉलम होते हैं लेजर में. Full form of JF, journal folium. The balance of PT cash book is, the balance of PT cash book is an assets, assets, asset. The balance of PT cash book is assets, assets, asset. Double column cash book records are cash and bank transaction. Double column cash book records are cash and bank transactions. The type of GST is CGST, SGST, IGST. All of these are right answer. Purchase book is used to record. Purchase book is used to record all credit purchases of goods. Purchase book is used to record all credit purchases of goods. Sales book is a part of journal. Sale books is a part of journal. Sales book is a part of journal. Subsidiary books are purchase book, journal book, bills receiver book. Purchase book, journal book, bills receiver book. All of them are subsidiary book. All of them are subsidiary book. Purchaser book, journal proper or bills payable, bills receiver book. Next question, recording is made in journal proper of. Recording is made in journal proper of opening entry, adjusting entry, closing entry. Opening entry, adjusting entry, or closing entry. All of these are recording in the made in journal proper of. Bank bank reconciliation statement, BRS is a statement prepared by bank. BRS is a statement prepared by the bank. Next question, favorable balance as per cash book means. Favorable balance as per cash book means. Favorable balance as per cash book means credit balance in the bank column of the cash book. Credit balance in the bank column of the cash book. क्या है क्वेश्चन? फेवरेबल बैलेंस एज पर कैश बुक मीन्स क्रेडिट बैलेंस इन द बैंक कॉलम ऑफ द कैश बुक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ट्रायल बैलेंस इज अ स्टेटमेंट. ट्रायल बैलेंस इज अ स्टेटमेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ट्रायल बैलेंस इंडिकेट arithmetical accuracy. Trial balance indicate arithmetical accuracy. Trial balance indicate arithmetical accuracy. Depreciation is an expense. Depreciation is an expense. Depreciation is an expense. According to SLM, as straight line method, depreciation is calculated on original cost. According to SLM method, calculation is calculated on original cost. According to SLM, depreciation is calculated on original cost. And the last question, on making entry of a capital expenditure as revenue expenditure, on making entry of capital expenditure as revenue expenditure, dash increase revenue reserve. On making entry of capital expenditure as revenue expenditure, to revenue reserve increases. On making entry of capital expenditure as revenue expenditure to revenue reserve increases. Monthly examination November. MCQ, which voucher is used for payment to creditor? Which voucher is used for payment to creditor? Debit voucher. Which voucher is used for payment to creditor? Debit voucher. Which voucher is used for payment to creditor? Debit voucher. Next question, which of the following is not a source document? Cash book is not a source document. Cash book is not a source document. What is the effect on the net assets if cash is received from debtor of 50,000? What is the effect on the net asset if cash is received from debtor of 50,000? What is the effect on the net asset if cash is received from debtor 50,000? No change, no effect, no any changes. Next question, accounting equation is based on going concern concept, due respect concept, money measurement concept. All of them are true. Next question, example of artificial personal account. Example of artificial personal account. TISCO, TISCO is the example of आर्टिफिशियल पर्सनल अकाउंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोग का है, इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट इज एन एसेट. इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट इज एन एसेट. इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट इज एन एसेट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग ट्रांजेक्शन इन अ जर्नल इज टर्म एज. द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग ट्रांजेक्शन इन अ जर्नल इज टर्म एज जर्नलाइजिंग. रोजनामचारण. द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग ट्रांजेक्शन इन अ जर्नल इज टर्म एज जर्नलाइजिंग. An entry with more than one debit and one credit, an entry more than one debit and one credit is called compound entry या फिर combined entry. Compound entry या फिर combined entry. Debit balance is a nominal account. Debit balance is a nominal account expense. Debit balance in a nominal account shows expenses. General reserve account is nominal account. General reserve account is nominal account. The process of entering the transaction from journal in the account is called the process of entering the transaction from journal in an account is called posting. Which of the following is known as principal book of account? Ledger. How many columns are there in debit side of ledger form? 4 column होते हैं, 4 column. Next question, which of the following accounts show credit balance? Which of the following accounts show credit balance? Capital account, creditor account, sales account. All of these are shows credit balance. Capital account, creditor balance, sales creditor account or sales account. Under which account will come the loss arising due to theft of file account? Nominal account. Under which account will come the loss arising due to theft? Nominal account. Ledger record transaction in analytical order. Ledger record transaction in analytical order. Next question, if the debit and credit aspect of a transaction are recorded in the cash book, if the debit and credit aspect of transaction are recorded in cash book is contra entry. If the debit and credit aspect of transaction are recorded in cash book is contra entry. Assets equal to capital plus liability. Asset equal to liability, capital plus liability. If the debit and credit aspects of transaction are recorded in the cash book is contra entry. A check is a bill of exchange. Purchase of machinery for cash will be debited to purchase of machinery for cash will be debited to machinery account. Assets sold on credit will be recorded in journal proper. Assets sold on credit will be recorded in journal proper. Subsidiary books are purchase book, bills receivable book, sales return book. All of them are subsidiary book. Purchase book, bills receivable book, sales return book. Debit notes issued are used to prepare purchase return book. Debit notes issued are used to prepare purchase return book. Double column cash book record. Cash and bank transaction. Feature of cash book debit and credit side part of ledger recording of cash and banking transaction. The feature of cash book is debit and credit side part of ledger recording of cash and banking transaction. All of these are true answer. Next question, sold goods for cash for list price of 10,000 at 20% trade discount and 5% cash discount. Posting will be made in sales account. सोल्ड गुड्स फॉर कैश अकाउंट लिस्ट होगा 10,000 रुपये, 20% उसमें ट्रेड डिस्काउंट यानी 8,000 रुपये, उसके बाद 5% कैश डिस्काउंट यानी कि 400 रुपये और एक्स्ट्रा डिस्काउंट यानी कि 7600 रुपये. तो पोस्टिंग विल बी मेड इन सेल्स अकाउंट. राइट आंसर होगा 7600 रुपया ऑन डेबिट साइड. एंड अगला क्वेश्चन है, टोटल एसेट इन अ बिजनेस आर 8 लाख एंड टोटल लाइबिलिटी 5 लाख. द डिफरेंस इज, तो हमारा क्या दिया, एसेट दिया है 8 लाख और लाइबिलिटी दिया है 5 लाख. तो एसेट हमारा एक फॉर्मूला था, एसेट इक्वल लाइबिलिटी प्लस कैपिटल. तो कैपिटल हमारा हो जाएगा 8 लाख माइनस 5 लाख इक्वल टू 3 लाख. तो राइट आंसर होगा कैपिटल 3 लाख कैपिटल. एंड नेक्स्ट सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन, द बुक इन विच ऑल अकाउंट्स आर ओपन इज कॉल्ड लेजर. एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, आउटस्टैंडिंग वेजेज इज इम्पर्सनल अकाउंट. आउटस्टैंडिंग वेजेज किस में जाता है, इम्पर्सनल अकाउंट में जाता है. आउटस्टैंडिंग वेजेज किस में जाता है, इम्पर्सनल अकाउंट में जाता है. लास्ट मंथली एग्जामिनेशन दिसंबर. MCQ, पहला, टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अकाउंट डिफरेंस ऑफ टोटल ऑफ बोथ डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ ट्रायल बैलेंस इज ट्रांसफर्ड. सस्पेंस अकाउंट. to which of the following account difference of total of both debit and credit side of client balance is transferred? Suspense account. Suspense account. Next question. Which of the following errors affect the client balance? Which of the following errors affect the client balance? So long balance of account, long totaling of account. Which of the following errors affect the client balance? Long balance of account, long totaling of accounts. Both A and B are true. Next question. How many types of errors are there? How many types of errors are there? One-sided error, two-sided error. So both are error founded. वन साइड एरर एंड टू साइड एरर. तो बोथ ऑप्शन नंबर डी ए एंड बी दोनों के दोनों सही है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ प्रोसेस इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ क्लाइंट बैलेंस? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ प्रोसेस इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ क्लाइंट बैलेंस? इंटरप्रिटेशन. इंटरप्रिटेशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ क्लाइंट बैलेंस इज फॉर. द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ क्लाइंट बैलेंस इज फॉर locating errors of commission, locating errors of principal, locating clear errors. All of these are true. Who prepare BRS? तो कौन? बैंक अकाउंट होल्डर. बैंक अकाउंट होल्डर. Who prepare BRS स्टेटमेंट? बैंक अकाउंट होल्डर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है डेबिट बैलेंस एज पर पासबुक मीन्स. डेबिट बैलेंस एज पर पासबुक मीन्स ओवरड्राफ्ट. डेबिट बैलेंस एज पर पासबुक मीन्स ओवरड्राफ्ट. डेबिट बैलेंस एज पर पासबुक मीन्स ओवरड्राफ्ट. BRS is a statement. BRS is a statement. BRS is a statement. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. बैलेंस एज पर पासबुक 20,000 रुपए. 4,000 रुपए डायरेक्टली डिपॉजिट बाय योर कस्टमर इनटू द बैंक. बैलेंस एज पर पासबुक 20,000 रुपए. 4,000 रुपए डायरेक्टली डिपॉजिट बाय द कस्टमर इनटू द बैंक. देन द बैलेंस एज पर कैश बुक. देन द बैलेंस एज पर कैश बुक 16,000 रुपए. कैसे? बैलेंस एज पर कैश बुक फॉर्मूला होता है बैंक एज पर पासबुक माइनस डायरेक्टली डिपॉजिट बाय द कस्टमर. तो 20,000 रुपए पासबुक में थे, 4,000 रुपए ग्राहक ने दिए, तो 4,000 जो डायरेक्ट उसने दिया घटा देंगे तो 16,000 राइट आंसर होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हेन बैलेंस एज पर कैश बुक इज गिवन देन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एडेड? When balance as per cash book is given, then which of the following will be added? To interest allowed by the bank. Interest allowed by the bank, we have added. Which balance as per cash book is given, then which balance as per cash book is given, then which of the following is added? तो interest allowed by bank will हम लोग ऐड करेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है when money is withdraw from bank, the bank is debit the customer account. Debit the customer account. When money is withdraw from bank, the bank debit the customer account. Debit the customer account. When money is withdraw from bank, the bank debit the customer accounts. Next question. Causes of depreciation, wear and tear, depreciation, obsolescence. All of these are causes of depreciation. Accounting standard O6 is related to. Accounting standard O6 is related to depreciation accounting. Depreciation accounting is related to AS06. AS06. Accounting standard O6 is related to depreciation accounting. Under which method does the rate remain constant will the amount of depreciation decreases every year? So WDV, written down value method, is used. Method does the rate remain constant will the amount of depreciation decreases every year? Write down value method, the rate remain constant will the amount depreciation decreases every year. Next question. An asset is purchased for 12,500 depreciation 20,000. Return off on written down value method. WDV के मेथड से what will be the value of asset at the end of third year? 6,400 रुपए. 6,400 रुपए होंगे. Next, depreciation is not charged on goodwill or land. Depreciation is not charged on goodwill or land. Next question है from which date is depreciation calculated? From which date is depreciation calculated? एसेट पर टू यूज. जब एसेट रख दिया जाता है यूज करने के लिए तब से डेप्रिसिएशन लगना शुरू हो जाता है. एसेट पर टू यूज डेट इज डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेटेड. विच डेट इज डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेटेड? संपत्ति के इस्तेमाल से एसेट पर टू यूज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द डिक्रीज इन द वैल्यू ऑफ वेस्टिंग एसेट्स ओवर टाइम कॉल्ड? व्हाट इज द डिक्रीज इन द वैल्यू ऑफ वेस्टिंग assets over time called depreciation. DEPLETION. The main objective of providing depreciation is to show true financial position in balance sheet. The main objective of providing depreciation is to show true financial position in the balance sheet. Next question. Discarding the old machinery due to new invention is called discarding the old machinery due to new invention is called obsolescence. Obsolescence. Discarding the old machinery due to new invention is called obsolescence. Next question. If the rate of depreciation is same, then what will be the amount of depreciation under SLM compared to WDB? If the rate of depreciation is same, then what will the amount of depreciation under SLM compared to WDB? So equal in the first year but lower in the subsequent year. Equal in the first year but lower in the subsequent year. Next question. A machinery is depreciated by 20,000 every year. Which method is being used to calculate machine depreciation? A machinery is depreciated by the 20,000 her year. Which method is being used to calculate depreciation? SLM method is used to calculation. Trial balance is prepared on a particular date. Trial balance is prepared on a particular date. Which of the following accounts always show a debit balance? Which of the following account always show a debit balance? Sales return account. Sales return account always show a debit balance. Next question. Sold goods for cash list price 8,000 10% trade discount 10% cash discount posting will be made on 240 रुपए on debit. 240 रुपए on debit. sold goods for cash of list price 8,000 at 10% trade discount and 3% cash discount. Posting will be made in डिस्काउंट अकाउंट कहाँ पे, तो डेबिट में होगा 240 रुपए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नोन एज प्रिंसिपल बुक ऑफ अकाउंटिंग, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नोन एज प्रिंसिपल बुक ऑफ अकाउंटिंग, लेजर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रिसीव 4900 रुपए फ्रॉम गरिमा इज फुल सेटलमेंट ऑफ 5000 पोस्टिंग 100 रुपीज विल बी मेड ऑन डेबिट साइड ऑफ डिस्काउंट अकाउंट, डेबिट साइड ऑफ डिस्काउंट अकाउंट, डेबिट साइड ऑफ डिस्काउंट अकाउंट, बिकॉज ये हमारा क्या है, एक्सपेंस है या कह सकते हैं लॉस है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, goods taken away by the proprietor from business for his personal use will be recorded in journal proper. Goods taken away by the proprietor from business for his personal use will be recorded in journal proper. And the last question, a check received and deposited into bank on the same day will be recorded in the cash book. A check received and deposited in the bank on the same day will be recorded in the cash book. Bank column on debit side, bank column on debit side. खत्म, या खत्म हो गई.